What's the luckiest thing that's ever happened to you? My brother was driving my boyfriend and I to the airport when suddenly I heard a huge smash, followed by a scream that sounded like a dying animal. After a few seconds, I realized that the scream was actually coming from me. I couldn't see anything, but soon started to feel the immense pain in my head and left shoulder. I had no clue what happened and slowly managed to open my eyes despite the glass shards in them. Everyone else seemed to be fine and our car was still moving, but I couldn't move my left arm at all. I noticed the hole in the windshield and figured this was where the glass came from. I don't remember anything after that, but when I woke up in the hospital, I could only see out of my left eye. I learned what actually happened was that someone had decided to throw a massive rock off of a bridge directly onto an oncoming car, and that car just happened to be ours. It would have actually hit me in the head and likely killed me if I hadn't been looking to the right playing Pokemon Go. They never caught the guy who did it, but if it wasn't for that guy deciding to drop that rock that day, I would never have got sent to the hospital, and the doctors would have never found the tumor I had in my brain that would have killed me weeks later.